Hello, English learners! Welcome back to another exciting lesson here at English Pod. Today, we're diving into a topic that's so essential: making appointments. It's one of those life skills we often take for granted. Think about it. Whether it's a dentist visit or a critical business meeting, making appointments is everywhere.
Oh, totally. Just this past week, I found myself scrambling to book a dentist appointment. It felt like a whole adventure. Like, what happens if I forget my last appointment? And they go, hey, you missed 3 of them. Ooh, I mean, that's kind of embarrassing, right? Laughs.
Right? And then we have to explain why we've been dodging the dentist like they were an old flame we didn't want to bump into at a party? Chuckles. Making appointments isn't merely a formality. It's all about managing our time and responsibilities.
That's so true. So, are there certain phrases we should know? I can't just say, I want a time. Give me the time, right?
Exactly. You'd likely end up with the weirdest time slots. Laughs. The vocabulary we're covering is super helpful for this. For starters, we have the term financial advisor. This person is like a superhero for your money, giving you tips on how to invest.
Oh, that makes total sense. So, if I had $1 million, wow, dreaming big here, I'd probably call one of them, right? Sigh.
Absolutely. They would get you all hyped about investing wisely. Now, let's check out our dialogue. We'll play it at normal speed at first, so hang tight.
Okay, I'm ready. Bring it on. Laughs.
Didn't that give you a window into how these calls work? You probably noticed the phrase, double check. It shows up a lot. It means to confirm something a second time.
Oh, that reminds me. It's like when you're driving on the freeway and you think, did I actually lock the door before I left? Then you have that moment of panic. Let me just double check. Aha!
Perfect example. That anxiety is so real. Now the word scheduled means you have something planned. So if I say, I have lunch scheduled, it means it's already on my calendar.
Wow, okay. How about this? Will my life just become a schedule of appointments? What if all of a sudden I feel like I'm totally booked solid?
Laughs. Oh, that can definitely happen. Booked solid means you have no free slots left. Your schedule is packed to the brim like a suitcase before a vacation.
Oh my God. I can totally relate. I once had a week that was entirely booked with meetings, and then my friend called wanting to hang out. I was like, I'm so sorry. I'm basically a calendar on legs. Whew. So impractical, right?
Funny enough, it really does become a balancing act, doesn't it? If you're tied up, it's a fine line between keeping up with obligations and having personal time.
Oh, I get that. So, I guess the dialogue is about more than just making appointments. It helps us express our availability and schedule too, right?
Exactly. How you communicate those needs is crucial, both professionally and personally. You can't just show up to a lunch date uninvited unless you're exceptionally confident.
Haha. Ooh, I look forward to crashing parties like that. Just kidding. But what if I forget about my appointment? Can I just blame the universe?
Well, while blaming the universe may be tempting, it's always better to shoot off a quick message to reschedule, which shows responsibility and politeness.
Okay, noted. This lesson is so practical. I love it.
I'm thrilled to hear that. Remember, this language is part of our everyday lives, so practice makes perfect. We're almost out of time here, but let's quickly review what we've learned.
Yep, I'll definitely remember this next time I call to make an appointment.
That's the spirit. So listeners, make sure to tune in again for a recap. Until next time, keep practicing.
Can't wait. Bye everyone. Laughs.